it's so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe.
Good morning, world. Good evening, good afternoon. You know it's your boy Holy Fire 777. Yeah, and I haven't done no videos for 2 days now. Can you believe that? Whoa, time fly fast is a shame. Time fly so fast. Because today is like Thursday, the 14th of November. Yep. It's almost December. Today's page were there this morning. And the rain fall from last night. You can see how the sky look. God, I say there is a tropical depression or storm out there again. And to be honest, I don't know about nobody else, but I'm sick and tired of hearing about storm now. I'm tired of hearing about storms now. Really tired of it, peeps. Yeah, so Jamaica get rain, so Cayman will get rain too. Once Jamaica get rain, Cayman will get rain too. Yeah. The rain a come, peeps, and I ain't got no fish stocking up. My fishman went fishing, and I missed his call. Can't believe that. So no fish for me. Fridge empty. Rain a fall and no fish for me. Fridge empty, peeps. All because I missed the fisherman call. And you know, this morning we're up on the road. So it's like after 6 now. But that's the rain and fall. So I'm coming out early this morning. But guess what, peeps? I'm gonna get my hair done this morning. Yeah, get my hair started out. Long time here now. Broom. Yeah, man. I'm coming from Jamaica, I'm here now, broom. That's like when? September? I think so, I don't remember. Box cover. October, November. So almost 3 months now I'm not doing nothing to me here. Yeah, I have to deal with myself better than that. So you know, peeps up on the way. I got a town. Yeah. And water up on the road. Water is on the road. And you can see the sky look, peeps. Howdy! The sky look cloudy, or cloudy rather. Like Merciless would say, like Leonard Bartley would say. Mama Rona son. Yeah. R.I.P. Rest in peace, Renard Bartley. God bless your soul. Yeah. Can you see, peeps? The sky is cloudy. So my age is, I say, 7 o'clock. I know I like hit the road early, peeps. I do not like do it early. I like the late thing. Early. She says 7 o'clock, so let's see if she's a lady to be on time. Let's see if she's a lady that is on time. That is punctual. Because you know, to be on time is to be before time. So I have 20 minutes to reach in a town. You know, water up on the road, so I'm just like cruising. Driving at the speed limit. Wow, take your time, man. You know, and driver, you understand. When the road wait, you take even more time. Because them vehicles be flying. Show my overtake. What a piece of foolishness. What can I hear him depend some? If you're late, you're just late. It is just plain stupidity. Anyway, peeps, we're there. Undertakers love careless overtakers. So can go on. Yes, peeps, we're up on the road, and as I say, the road is... The sky is cloudy and rain will come. Why not wind over the side of peeps? coming again. So it's a very rainy morning. Let me say the rain I go keep the agent from coming out early. She have my number. So if anything, she should have called and say what is what. Never have no contact there really. Yes, people, let me say. There's a storm out there, so you know. Now we'll get some water. Yeah, right now we'll get more water than even the other day when they said the storm was coming. We are getting more rain now than the other day. I guess some tropical depression causes more rain than some. Yeah. But the morning is so cool and so nice. And everybody a fly past some people like a reverse and a reverse. How I go on? A reverse and a reverse or what? Yeah, but I'm just cruising. I'm just cruising on the island. Just cruising, peeps. Just cruising. No, you don't know yes. Yes, make waste. But I still don't understand why the rain falls on the road and I must speed so much. Because if I'm going at the speed limit and I'm a fly past, so it means I'm going to go over 80. And that's crazy. Yes, tips. Anyhow, we take my time and driving. Now in an hour, yes. Now 17 minutes. That's a lot of time. That's a lot of time. That's a lot of time, peeps. Hold on, peeps. Hello, good morning.
Morning, let you know that I'm at work.
Oh, okay, I'm on my way there. Right. Oh, I love this lady. I love this lady. She is on time. To be on time is to be before time. And see, she is already there. I love and respect people who take time serious and who punctual. I love that. Yeah, I respect that so much. Somebody tell you a time, you know, even for the first time. That was the first time she's gonna do my hair, and she's already there, waiting to do my hair. Wow. Sometimes it just rhyme people and it just connect. It does connect. It no miss. Yeah. Can you believe? She said 7 o'clock and it's like 16 minutes to 7 and she's already there. But I'm not gonna reach late. Guys in the town. But I'm just cruising. Just reach by West Bay Road. Peeps. Breeze a blow. The rain a fall. Breeze a blow. Chicken batty out the door. Yeah, and lady exercise in the rain. Yeah, some man exercise in the rain too. And lady, wow. That must be sweet. Don't you, peeps? That must be sweet, exercising in the rain. The 15 minutes too. 15 minutes too. Now I have my right window wind down. The water touch me now. Yeah. Wow! It's a rainy morning in Grand Cayman. And I like it. Somehow I like it. Nice. It's called for some real food now. Some dumpling and yam. And banana and dasheen and cocoa. Yes, peeps. And some, yeah, when I say yam, I mean some soft yam. Some real renta yam. But you can't cook with the food. I will mash out. Oh, yes, babes. So if it's your first time, tune in to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe! Woo! Yes, babes. And it's a Thursday morning. Water come down, rain come down, all the peeps. All the water upon the land. Whole heap of water. Yes, peeps, Steve the hospital from when? Also watch the channel and know Steve. Steve the hospital from about Monday night here. Now Steve have issues with breathing at times. I can trouble with asthma. I guess it's climate change. Yeah. So ambulance come for Steve from about Monday night here. And it's for Steve again. Hopefully he's okay. So we enter in the bridge. Underneath the bridge of Uncle Dart, mate. Uncle Dart, mate. Big up yourself, Uncle Dart. It's 13 minutes to now. Normally it takes so much minutes to reach a town, but rain a fall, I'm not so not, you know, yes. You know, I'm turn on my light, so the rain a fall, I turn on the light. Yeah. Yes, peeps. And people heading out to work. Still, no matter rain a fall, have to work see me, and other people have to work see me. Because the bills will be building. The bills will be building. I don't know, the bills will be coming, see me, people. And you can't tell landlords to rain and fall. You don't have money, my comfy money same way. Yeah. So you stay. I saw me rock, I saw me stay. Yeah. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Catch me, I'm gonna reach out there. So yes, peeps. Just finished to get my hair sorted out. Yeah. I'm look like 23 again. Look like 23 again, down with that. 23-year-old boy. Yeah. So, Glam Salon and Spa. That is it right here. So it's across from Royal Bank. That is Royal Bank, and this is it, peeps. Yeah. So it's raining cats and dog in Cayman, peeps, in the morning here. And actually, I don't wait that long because I came here roughly about 6 minutes to 7. So it took me nearly 3 hours. Wow. Should never know. Hurry still. So roughly, so 6 minutes to 10. I'm coming here at 6 minutes to 7. So roughly almost 3 hours. 6 and 3, 9. So 6 and 4. 10, so almost 4 hours. Yeah, almost 4 hours. I said 9, almost 4 hours, peeps. Yeah, but I'm looking like 23-year-old again. Yes, I've been through 23 rough years. Yeah. Let's say salon here, and they open pretty early. Yeah, you can find them by Instagram too. Free advertisement for them. Yes, peeps, today in a Cayman, as you see, it's a rainy day and it's all island rain, and my tummy aches like really ache. My tummy really aches, so I'm going home to get some breakfast. Yeah. It's a very, very, very rainy day here on the island. Yeah. Very rainy. The water settle up on the road some places and all that, peeps. Look at that. Well, and the thing is, when I came out, we don't get rain as Jamaica still, but when it rain, it rain. Rain and stop and rain and stop. So here in the town here, they're doing some work. They're gonna fix it. When they're done with it, they'll go pretty. So the street there, they have that up there, so they're gonna pull up here. That's a Pirates Week. So they're having Pirates Week, but this weekend look rain out. Yes, peeps, sorry, I could take it through here, so now I go all the way down there, so. So yes, peeps, it's a man, Holy Fire 777. So it's early morning, as we say, that's what get me here, start out. Yeah. Now work and now take care of myself. Yes, I will keep up my 23-year-old look. 23, yeah. Ah boy. Oh gosh, I say I need some gas. It's the nearest gas station. I'll stop now. I need some gas, babes. So now get me some gas too. So we are in Grand Cayman and we're heading straight to West Bay. The best bay. The best place on island. So we are heading now. Or on island. I-S-L-A-N-D. Not I-S-L-A-N-T. Island, not island. My bad pronunciation, me always say island. This is it. Oh, and every street is full of water. I say rain a fall, peeps. Rain a fall. Because they say there is one more storm out there. So let's see how that all go. Because I know all of a sudden we get so much storms for one hurricane season. But let's see. Let's see how it goes, babes. And babes, right now my tummy aches. My tummy aches! I'm so hungry! I'm not hungry, peeps. Need a battery. I'm bring one battery because my battery almost dead. So because I didn't take my bag, I think I got one more battery here. Give me the battery. Some pocket. Give me the battery. Can't afford to lose some battery in a piece. Can't afford to lose my battery. I know. I'll call it you just saw she said I have to drop out of my pocket. Some pocket and I see it or so. Hold on. Can't afford to last one of my battery. I don't even have enough, as I only have like 6 batteries, which is that is quite amount. Now I use so much for one day, but I still don't want to last any at all. I'm sorry to see me. Hold on, peeps. Drive up my driver. So yes, peeps, this is it. Grand Cayman. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, I mean, say, you see me leaving, just change out and packet like a battery in this year? Yeah, like a battery. Not sure, I'm gonna have to check.
Which chair? The one inside of my area or the one
I guess one inside your ear. Oh, okay. Probably me never take it up then. No, probably me never take it up then. I thought I had it in my pocket. Okay, no problem. Alright. Yes, tips. So apparently, it's like I didn't take it up, but I thought I did. But I guess I didn't. When I go home, I will see what I do with that battery. Yes. So this is But it's a nice day. So what am I going to eat now? Oh, I have leftover in the fridge. I'm gonna deal with this wicked. I'm gonna deal with that, babes. Some leftover in the fridge. I have to deal with some leftover in the fridge. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Now I'm gonna away. Yes, peeps, reach Waterfront now. The sea is so calm. And there are a lot of vessels out there. And a boat out there, so I guess the rain is a fall. Oh, the sea is calm. Sea keeping it calm. Yeah, you see it's so calm. Nice. The sea is so calm and nice too. School bus to go to the kids then. Yeah. So the rain is falling, yes. But the sea is calm, so hopefully the fisherman can go out. I see sea calm. The fisherman hope you go out to catch fish. You catch no fish. Yeah, I need fish to eat. Yes, peeps. I need fish to eat. And look like we'll get some sun, peeps, okay? Even though the rain falls so, sun will come up the seeing behind the cloud early morning, yeah? The sun is still coming up behind the cloud, peeps. I believe it's like 8 minutes to 7 now, but I'm gonna reach on time. So normally I just drive 3 town this about part of the road block off, so I have to go up and go down and go round. So might as well just drive here, so might as well drive here. Barber shop not open yet. It's early time. So I guess other people in the shop not really open yet because it's open like at least 9 o'clock and it's not even 7 yet. So we're gonna turn right and to Sheddon Road. Come on. Yes, Steve, so not on here. The rain kinda calm down away. Yeah, the rain kinda calm down away. No excess rain. Yes, Steve. Yeah! I'm building them like what them paint over back. Pretty. So we are in Georgetown now, peeps. There's a pass Elizabeth Square. And then we're heading straight ahead. Straight ahead, peeps. They're fixing the town. That's why the road is there, so. And our body road bad, and fix the town. Yeah, water cycle here, so. peeps, and then 6 minutes to, and I'm there. 6 minutes to, and I'm there, peeps. So it says, it's a glam salon and spa. Glam salon and spa. Wow. Yes, peeps. So we are there. Wind up my windows. I could always leave the window open, peeps. The vehicle open. Nobody will trouble it. But because rain a fall, yeah, wind them up. Because the rain is falling, I wind up the window. So yes, peeps, we are here. We are here. Yeah, Glam Salon. Glam Salon and Spa. You can find them on Instagram too. Yeah. Yes, peeps. A free advertisement for them. So stick on, stay, peeps. So yes, peeps, I am home now. Yeah. And it's to say it's a very rainy day. We're gonna get more rain. The breeze are blow hard now, that's how we're not getting rain yet. Yeah. Yeah, but the lake is okay. It's not coming up as yet. I know I come up none at all. So look at island over there. Water the way down. Chicken is hungry. I'm not going to eat now. Find something going to eat soon. Yeah. I must say chicken and I eat the lobster shell, but they mash up it when they're hungry. You see? Lobster shell in pieces. Ah. So yes, peeps. This is Grand Cayman. Yeah. Steve having AC on, even though Steve not here. Steve the hospital. Yes, peeps. So this is my backyard, side yard. You want to put it side of the apartment. Yeah. And it's a very rainy day here in Grand Cay. Yeah. And we can't get one of them jelly. So this jelly then reach the stage. Body pick them up. One them pick. Yeah, jelly then a little bit now. The jellies are a little bit. So yes, peeps, I say another storm out there, something like that. It's right about now we get some water and more water on the land. So let's see how that goes. Yes, peeps. It's right about now. Just come on back. It's like after 11. And I am hungry. So I can get to eat, you know. As we say, I have some leftover. Some of them mash up some leftover. Yeah. Meringue tree come up good. Yep. Okay, yes, people don't watch on the channel know I believe in meringue. I believe in my meringue. Yeah. This is meringue. So if you don't know, now you know. Meringue. That is meringue, folks. And this is a superfood full of vitamin, calcium, iron, and all different minerals that are essential that your body need, and you can't take an overdose, as they say. So this is just natural, peeps. And as to me, I cook this, steam it, boil it, I do everything with it. And this is also a neem tree. Neem is also very good. You can look up the essential value of neem too. What it's good for, benefits of using it. Yeah. Yeah, it cleans your body too. It's very bitter. And peeps, as you know, when I use bush, you should pick it and allow it to dry a bit, not boil it. Boil it green. That is not good for you. But as to me, sometimes I like picking meringue especially, and I blend it green and then blend the leaf, and then I use it to make my drink. Put it in whatever else I drink. If I make soup, I get the leaf same way and blend the leaf and blend my coconut milk and cook with it, and trust me, it's very nutritious. I haven't taken vitamin or calcium or no pharma pill for years now, over 5-6 years now. I not take none. I not believe in it. I believe in me meringue. Yes, peeps. Yeah, man. Like, I mean, because you check out, you know, peeps. They might say, but this is just bush. You know, take pill. You just believe in a bush. Yes, because whether you believe it or not, every medicine is made from herbs, bush as I call it. Because some people say, when I tell them I cook meringue, and say if I cook meringue bush, I mean it's medicine and it's food. You get me? I say when you steam this like vegetable, steam it like callaloo or cabbage or whatever. You can steam it with your vegetable, as in with your callaloo, with your cabbage. And if you're a person who don't want to eat it alone, you can cook it as in chop suey, put with the chicken, just the leaves and stuff, and you have some when the seed actually, not seed, when it's not the seed, the pod, as in talking about this thing here, when it is extremely young like this, when it stay like that, you can cut it up same way in your food, cut it up same way for your meat or whatever, and trust me, it's good. Because a lot of us here, especially here, depends on where you're living, I eat be a processed food and all of that, full of chemical and that, and them something here, them bush here, or medicine, whatever you want, but we don't call it meringue bush or neem bush, but we consider it as food and medicine. When you get this, you flush it out of your system. You get me I say? When you eat them here with it, you can't just eat meat, so not flush your system. You get me I say? So them one here now almost dry. Them here tough, because they're almost ready for dry. So when them dry now, there's a seed inside of it. You eat the seed as well. But meringue, the meringue itself, every single part of it is good for you to use. You can use the leaf, this, everything of it, the bark, everything. Every part of it can use. So one of these days, I'll get some, put it for dry, and then I'll get it, like blend it. When the leaf then dry, I dry like, because when it dry, then get very dry. You don't have to put it in the sun. You can put it inside and it stay there and dry. And then I blend it and get it like powder. You can use it same in your juice and your food, whatever you want to use it. And it's very good same way, because meringue sell in a pharmacy and stuff in the people, and they're more expensive. The pills and stuff, meringue pill, they actually sell it meringue soap, you know. So a lot of times we in the Caribbean especially, we have medicine around us, but we don't believe in that. Because me personally, I don't believe in modern day medicine. Yes, God give man knowledge and thing, but man more believe in making money. So because man more believe in making money, whatever pill they make, you're taking the pill for one thing and to do something else. You get me? I say it mess you up some other way. So me no into that. But I am not a doctor, I am not a scientist. It is just my opinion. And even this Noni, aka Duppy Sauce, as we call it in Jamaica. Yes. You just wait till it's ripe. Let me see if it's in a ripe one, show no. Let me see if it's in a ripe one, yeah. No. I don't even see a ripe one on it. When it ripe, yeah, this one are ripe now. So you look when it ripe, so then call it kind of an ugly looking color. Look at it. Yeah, when it's ripe, you have an ugly looking color. And this one is right now. Yeah, when it's ripe, it have a very ugly looking color. That's why they call it Duppy Sauce, because it's ugly. Yeah, because if you look on it, it kind of look ugly, you know. You see it, it's a Duppy Sauce. So when it's ripe, you get it and you put it in a container or so and lock up here, make it stay there, and practically like it's a rotten, it drain, and then you strain that and You strain it off with a cloth, or because a strainer might not get it purified enough. You strain it off and then you like take a teaspoon of it every day, and that is also very good for your body. You get me, I say? But if you don't Google it, you will see. You will see. You will see. But just to say that, we have everything in the Caribbean. You get me, I say? And me personally, me believe in a bush. Give me bush, not give me no modern day medicine. And all for milk product there, I not bother with it. All for milk, because all for mucus in your stomach and thing. You get me, I say? Because when me have cold peeps, me have like a cold symptom, but me have that cold for my stomach. Am I perfect? No, but me not have that cold for my stomach like people. People drink cold for milk and all for, you know, dairy product. I not have that. Yeah, because me not believe in them too much milk products. Not me. Not me. Well, you peeps, thank you all for watching. Just a small vlog today. Yeah. As Imara say, big up Imara too. And him newborn, big up Dima Wanga. Yes, you know your auntie now. Imara get a son. And big up your wife. Yes, big up Mara and your newborn son. Yes, more life and more blessing to you and your son. Yes, so you know. So until next video peeps, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. Peace out.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew